Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Xiaomi 12 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game for it, since it is not present in the Play Store. In order to do that, you gotta go for any search engine you'd like. I'll just go with Google. Here type in Fortnite APK. After the search results has appeared, just look for the Epic Games web page, go for it. And here just click on the get it on the Epic Games app button, wait for the APK file to start downloading, download it anyway. As you can see, it has been successfully downloaded. Click on open, and here in prior of installing the Epic Games launcher, we gotta gain some permissions to Google Chrome, or to be particular, to let it download and install apps from unknown sources. Wait for the OK button to become active. And tap on it. Click on install. Open the Epic Games launcher. And here click on get in front of a Fortnite. Install. And here we'll have to gain the install from unknown sources permission to the Epic Games launcher, as well as we did it as we gained this permission to the Google Chrome a little earlier. So go to settings, allow from this source, wait for the OK button to become active. Tap on OK, install. Here click on open again. And as you can see, the Fortnite launcher has started to download itself. From now on, you'll just have to wait until the game will download all necessary files, and after that you will be able to start playing the Fortnite game itself. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.